Unlocking the meaning. Let's go. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of English phrases to uncover the meaning and usage of a very common and versatile phrase, let's go. Whether you are a beginner or an intermediate English learner, understanding the nuances of this phrase will definitely enhance your communication skills. So, stay tuned, and let's get started. Let's go is a phrase that is made up of two words, let's and go. The word let's is a contraction of let us, and when combined with go, it forms a suggestion or encouragement to do something or to move from one place to another. It is used in a variety of contexts, which we will explore in the upcoming sections. One of the most common uses of let's go is to express enthusiasm or to motivate someone or a group of people to get excited about doing something. For example, if you are about to start a game, you might say, let's go, to pump up the team and get everyone ready to play. Let's go can also be used to suggest moving from one place to another. If you're at a friend's house and it's time to leave, you might say, let's go, to indicate that it's time to depart. It's a way of prompting action, especially when there's a need to leave. Apart from showing enthusiasm and suggesting movement, let's go can be used in several other contexts. Encouraging speed, come on, let's go, we're going to be late. Showing support for a team or individual, let's go, team. Expressing impatience, let's go, what are you waiting for? And that's a wrap on Let's Go. We hope this video helps you understand the various ways this phrase can be used in English. Remember, the tone of voice you use when saying let's go can change its meaning significantly, from encouragement and enthusiasm to impatience. So, practice it in different contexts and with different intonations to master its usage. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. See you in the next video.